and make moves. Stop talking about shit that you can't prove. I'm the mountain you can't move, so why you trying? Looking at me stupid, wondering why you dying, why you flying through the air with a big ass hole in your chest. Wishing you was holding the vest, but it's too late for wishing, so you getting this rest. Go to sleep, Papa will take care of the stress. God bless, and may he have mercy on your soul. Papa, take these 2 more with you on your stroll, nigga.
Yep. I don't really trust humans that much these days. Shit, the fact of the matter is, I trust dogs more than I trust humans. Shit, nothing like that dog love, I'll tell you. And not just any dog. It's gotta be a pit bull. Yep, that's the only dog for me. You don't want to get caught in the pit with one of them, boy. They make good companions, but even worse enemies. It's all on how you take it.
You know how we do, baby. Alright? Grand champ.